In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Defold game engine. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to their site, which is defold.com/tutorials. As you can see right here, they have tutorials specific on other default features. We have in here side scroller, walking astronaut, movement, color slide, and the likes that we can see right here. So you can just choose right here the engine that you want to use. So for example, let's head over and choose right here this 15 puzzle. You can just click on that and it will open the tutorial for it. You can start default, click on new project, select from a template, or select empty project. Select a location for the project on your local drive and create new project. You can just choose right here the display that you want to play it with, then download a suitable image for your puzzle. Pick any square image and make sure to scale it to that pixel. Now represent the grid, right click on it and choose on Use Tile Source and set the tile width and height properties. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.